Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import PDF file to CAD. So from here go to insert PDF import, then PDF import. I have already floor plan and PDF, so I'm going to click this and open. There is some setting if you want to change. For example, there is scale you want to change, or rotation you want to rotate this or another. I'm not going to change this and just click OK. There you go. This is the plan that I imported from PDF to CAD. You can delete, you can change, you can do what you want to. So this is the CAD. Now this is the CAD. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.